Hi, I'm Kevin Dunglas, and I'm the creator of FrankenPHP. I'm also a contributor to Symfony, API platform, Mercure, the Go programming language, and many other open source projects.
Sweet. So what inspired you to create FrankenPHP in the first place?
Two things. The first idea was to create some. Actually, I was working on a talk for a conference, and I wanted to show how to use C and Go together, and the target audience was PHP developers. So first, it was an experiment for a conference. Then, when I figured out that it was working better than expected, my main goal was to be able to make it very easy to install PHP by having a single program able to run both the web server and the PHP engine.
So what PHP version did you start with?
I start to be old, and I think that it was PHP 3 or 4, something like that.
Quite a few years ago. All right. What is your favorite obscure PHP function or feature?
Maybe the bind method on the closure function, allowing to like dynamically add methods to existing classes and things like that.
Awesome. All right. So in your editor, dark mode or light mode?
I use the automatic mode, so it's dark mode by night and light mode by day.
Sweet. Last one. Music or silence when you're coding?
Music.
Music.